Mà ơi, let's learn the letters V, and the letter Y. Alright. Letter V sounds
V.
and letter Y sounds
Yeah. Yeah.
alright. Now look at this picture. Tell me, who is she?
She is Vicky.
Vicky, right? And Vicky
Vicky in the yellow vest. Yeah. Yeah. Yellow. V. V. Yeah.
vest.
Vest.
Where is she?
She is in a van. Van.
Okay, next page. Now let's listen. Listen and choose the correct sounds. Here, take it. Number 1.
Yellow.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Yeah. Yeah. Yogurt.
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Yeah. Yeah. Yo-yo.
Van.
Van. V. V. Van.
Vest.
Van. V. V. Van.
Violin.
Violin. V. V. Violin.
Very good. Now let's move to the letter V. You say letter.
V.
Letter V sounds.
V. V.
Now tell me what is
C is van.
a van.
A van. A vest.
What this?
A vine.
Vine.
A vine. A vase.
Vase. Okay.
A villain.
And the last one.
A
Fine.
violin.
All right. Now here, listening to the correct word.
Van.
Van. V. V. Van.
Number 2.
Vine.
Vine. V. V. Vine.
Video.
Video. V. V. Video.
Violin.
Violin. V. V. Violin.
Vest.
Vest. V. V. Vest.
Vase.
Vase. V. V. Vase.
Okay, but you say again. Vest.
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 Vase.
Vase.
All right. Have fun with me. Yes.